Hello learners, so today we are going to discuss about the application writing, and I know most of you face difficulty to write the letter. When you are supposed to write the formal letter, you go to the teacher, either you go to mentor or teacher, or maybe you take the online supports, either you explore YouTube or Google in order to write the application. So in today's video, you'll come to know how to write application independently. So when we talk about the first point, that is sender's address. In sender's address, what do we do? There are actually total 7 steps that should be taken into considerations. And the first one is, one by one I will discuss in detail, but first of all I'm going to introduce those 7 points that are supposed to be taken into consideration in order to write the application. So when we talk about the first one is the sender's address, in which the sender is supposed to write his or her own address. Second is number two is date. Now you are supposed to write, after sender's address, date is supposed to be written, right? Okay, now number 3 is receiver's address. Number 4, subject. Number 5, salutation. Number 6, body of the letter. Number 7, complimentary clause. Now we are going to discuss in detail each points with the examples. Number 1, sender's address, in which sender is supposed to write his or her own address. Now when you are starting the application, then of course you have to first of all keep in mind the thing that I'm going to just tell you, that what you are supposed to do. First of all, you have to take the piece of page, right? That should be A4 size page. This is not the appropriate page which I am holding, but I am just telling you, okay? And this is just for the demo. But you are supposed to take page that should be A4 size page. All right, now what you are supposed to do, that you will fold the page into, you have to, in हिंदी भी से चौथाई छोड़ते हैं ना हम लोग, चौथाई छोटा होता है, ऊपर से भी मार्जिन, जिसे इंग्लिश में मार्जिन कहते हैं. सो एक तो ऊपर के पार्ट से हम लोग मार्जिन छोड़ेंगे. A4 साइज का प्लेन सादा पेज होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप कौन सा एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हैं, आप एक फॉर्मल एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो ऊपर से हमने इसको फोल्ड कर दिया, ऊपर से फोल्ड किया, और साइड से भी. ये क्या है, ये साइड मार्जिन है, इसे साइड मार्जिन कहते हैं. So this is called side margin and this is called top margin. We leave the page, okay? We fold the page. If you do not have the scale, if you have the scale, you can draw the line, okay? You will have to draw the line at top and this side, okay? Now you will start writing from there, okay? There should not be any space, okay? There should not be any space. I am talking about कि जहाँ पे आपने चौथाई छोड़ा है, जो मार्जिन है, वो मार्जिन से बिल्कुल सटा कर लिखना है एप्लीकेशन. इस एरिया में कोई भी स्पेस नहीं छोड़ना है, शुरू यहीं से करना है. ऑल राइट, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द ईच पॉइंट्स इन डिटेल. नंबर 1 is sender's address, in which sender will be writing his or her own address. Let me tell you a very important thing in this section, that if you're writing the address, in address writing, of course there is a proper and correct format, okay? Address should not be written jumbly, right? There is a proper correct format which we will be discussing in the next video. I'll tell you that what is the correct format to write the address. We will start the application, or either we say application, दरखास्त जिसे हिंदी में कहते हैं, और we say that formal letter, right? Now the second point comes, that is date. Now in date, what we are supposed to write, again in this particular point there is a correct format which is supposed to be followed when you are writing the date, okay? For that also I'll make the short video how to write and what is the correct format of date writing. Now the third one is receiver's address. In receiver's address, what do we do? As the name itself indicates, that the receivers means to whom you are going to write the letter, the formal letter. For example, you are writing the letter to the principal of the school, either you are writing the letter of application to the principal of your school, or you are writing the leave application to the class teacher. So in that case, you will write the address of that particular educational institution, right? Now comes the fourth point, that is subject. In subjects, what do? We do subject, यानी कि इसमें हम लोग लिखेंगे कि किस चीज़ के, किस विषय में हम एप्लीकेशन लिखने जा रहे हैं. सो इस पॉइंट को हम लोग इस तरह से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे दैट रिगार्डिंग. ओके, रिगार्डिंग मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल in one line, that is enough actually, but if you need, you can use more than 1, 2, 3 lines. So in subject, what do we write? We write that for what, regarding what we are supposed to writing, we are going to write the application in subject. All right, number 5th comes, that is salutation, in which we regard. All right, we address the sender to whom you are writing the letter. Okay, for example, dear sir, dear ma'am. Suppose that you do not know that who is the managing committee, maybe. In that case, you can write dear sir or dear sir oblique ma'am. Okay, and in that way we write salutation. So that was 5th point. When we talk about 6th point, that is body of the letter. Okay, in body of the letter, actually this particular point is further divided into 3 parts. Okay, and what are these 3 parts? Number 1 is, I'm talking about the 6th point, that is body of the letter. So in body of the letter, this is further divided into 3 parts. So one is introduction, you will introduce. Number 2nd is description. Now you will be describing that means what is the purpose to write the application, what you are going to write it. Okay, and now the 3rd one comes, that is conclusion. You will conclude the entire thing in a few lines. Okay, next comes, that is the last point, complementary clause. What we write in complementary clause, here of course the name itself indicates, in complementary clause you are going to close the application, you will be closing. So there you will write your own name, your class, your sections. All right, okay, so you will write in complementary clause, you will write your name, your class, your section, and your roll number. After that you will do your signature attached with the date on which you are writing the letter. Okay, so I hope that it is clear to you, and in the next video we will come to know that what is the correct format of date writing and address writing. If you need, I can give you, I will be talking about a sample letter in the next video. Thank you.